Zachary with sellthoseflippingcars.com, back with another video. I know you guys are gonna like this one. After many road trips over the years and trying to save money on vehicle repairs and the road trips themselves, we've come up with a little list of 10 simple ways to save money on your next road trip. So hope you guys are gonna like this one. Hey, as always, always appreciating that you stop by the channel. If you like the video, please hit like, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell icon so you are notified when more videos are released on the channel. Always great to have you guys stop by. So let's go ahead and start with the list. First off, bring snacks. When you are going on a road trip, you are trying to keep to a specific budget on this road trip and not going over that. And with me and my wife, we have 6 kids. So a simple quote unquote snack stop can set you back 20, 30, $50. So depending on the snacks you're getting. So hey, watch that. Bring some snacks. Next, don't drink too many liquids. You know that when it comes to kids, they're actually the younger toddlers can actually go to the bathroom 12 to 14 times a day. Younger children, you're looking at 8 to 12 times a day, and this is actually shown by health sites to actually be to be healthy for children. So hey, you got to use as much time as you can in between those bathroom breaks to get some distance. So don't drink too many liquids, especially on a road trip. All right. Next, air up your tires. Department of Energy has actually shown that your fuel efficiency is affected by 3%, and that can really add up over time to be a good amount of money that you could have kept in your pocket by stopping at a free air pump. Next, make sandwiches for the lunches. That just goes along with bringing snacks and just saving money. A lot of the highway stops and restaurants and fast food that are on there can set you back if you're traveling by yourself. $7 to $12 just for a lunch. So sometimes easier just to bring a sandwich and saving yourself some money. At least the quality of that food you're having is to your standard. Next, this one has actually saved sanity numerous times. We're with T-Mobile, so we got the T-Mobile Wi-Fi little hotspot for the car, or for the van in our situation. We have a town and country. So as long as you keep everyone with Wi-Fi and headphones, it's like no one talks. It's amazing. It saves you some sibling rivalry and yelling matches happening for 6+ hours while you drive through mountains and deserts and whatnot. So have Wi-Fi in the vehicle. It's a savior to road trips at times. So next, make a budget and keep to it. I'm not talking about, hey, leave your credit card in the car when you go to a casino, and then when you run out of money, go back out to the car. Okay, I'm not talking about that kind of budget. I'm talking about actually keeping to a budget, how much you want to spend on entertainment, how much you want to spend on food, how much you want to spend on fuel. A realistic amount, and actually keep into this budget that you set for your trip. Your financial well-being is a lot more important than a road trip at times, but we all need a escape from the city from time to time. So next, fuel up before a quarter of a tank. Okay? It actually has been shown that in the bottom of your fuel tank is debris, and gasoline is a solvent, so it breaks apart stuff, even plastic and metal and everything. It actually breaks apart the inner liner of your metal fuel tank, and it flakes off with rust and corrosion due to precipitation actually building up in the fuel tank from the fumes and it not releasing, causing corrosion in your fuel tank. And that corrosion and flakes of rust will actually break off into the fuel, sink to the bottom. So when you go below a quarter of a tank, when you fill up your fuel, there's a little bit in depth description here. Jeez. That debris can kick up and get stuck in your fuel filter and actually burn out your fuel pump and leave you stranded on the side of the highway. Not a great start, nor ending or middle to your road trip. So guys, fuel up before a quarter of a tank. It has been shown to increase your fuel efficiency as well, so that's always a plus. Next, look for free attractions. You don't always have to go to the movies or to a place that you have to pay for, or a live interaction or something. Sometimes going for a hike in the mountains or in a valley or through a nature reserve, not only save you money, use a little bit of time, and if you have children, it can really burn up that energy fuel gauge they got going on. So sightsee instead of shopping is the next point. It goes a little bit with looking for the free attractions, but just to throw it out there again, sightsee instead of shopping. Now, if you shop and that's your thing and that's why you went on the vacation, then hey, you do you. But if you didn't go to that place just to shop, and you're trying to keep to that budget that you set a few points back, sightsee instead of shopping can really help you stay to that budget. And again, saving money on the road trip, and those road trips do cause a little bit of wear and tear to your vehicles. So hey, the money that you can save on the road trip can really help you on that too. So last but never least, limit souvenirs. Hey, again, I got 6 kids, so I know what I'm talking about when I say limit souvenirs. You go to Disneyland and want one souvenir, that's $50 right there. I'm not trying to spend no $300. So limit souvenirs. You're able to go on that road trip and save that money and hey, get 1-2 souvenirs. That's what builds up the excitement for your next road trip. So hopefully this list actually, helped you out, gave a little bit of tips for your next road trip. Me and my family always enjoy our road trips because we enjoy driving in our minivan. So sad. Never thought I'd say that. It's weird. So hey, again, this is Zachary with SellThisFlippingCars.com. Thanks for stopping by the channel. Make sure you like the video if it helps you out, and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to be notified of future videos when they're released every Monday at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard. Hey guys, keep on wrenching, and thanks for stopping by the channel. Hope to see you next time. Bye now.